Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making a pun, so let's get everything together that we need. A bowl, flour, milk, and an egg. Fancy aerial view. We're gonna add 1 cup of flour, our egg, milk heated up to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, package of yeast. Fold it all together to make a sponge. Here's our sponge. Dump a cup of flour onto it for reasons, cover it up and let it sit for a half hour. Here it is. The flour cracking means the yeast is activated. 1/3 of a cup of sugar. 2 teaspoons of salt. 4 eggs lightly beaten. Half a cup of flour, fold it together. Using a spatula is stupid, lube up your hands. Mix it. Another half cup of flour. Get in there. Change bowls because that one was annoying you. Lube up your hands again. And knead. Half cup of flour. Final time. Mix it together. Your dough is just about there. We're going to start gradually adding 1 1/3 stick of butter, softened. Alright, we got a nice sticky dough. We're going to cover this up, let it rise for about an hour until it doubles in size. And here we are. Now we're going to press out all the air so that way we can form it into balls. Alright, to form the buns, we're just going to fold the dough in on itself until you get a nice smooth top. Pinch it and twist. That way it keeps everything sealed in. But because I have a trimmer, I'm going to roll it out anyways. Gang's all here. Now we're just going to cover it, let it rise for about an hour. It should double in size. Like so. Now we're just going to put a bit of an egg wash on top of these and throw them in the oven for 15-20 minutes at 375 degrees until the tops get nice and golden brown. I do this for some reason. Are you nervous? I'm not. Alright, time for bacon. We're just going to lattice it up, or whatever it's called. Cut it in half. Set them vertical. And just the over-under technique. There you go. Alright. And repeat on the opposite side. Ta-da! Throw them in the oven, 375 degrees, 20 minutes. 6 ounces of beef. Stuff it with 1 ounce blue cheese. Roll it into a ball, like so. Alright, we have some butter. We're going to stick our burger in there, press it down. And normally you'd want to use a press, but I don't have one, so saucer and cup it is. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, now it's time to flip. Splatter over your oven. Flip and splatter over yourself. Saucer cup, 2 to 3 minutes. Building! Way too big of a bun. Lettuce. Tomato. Red onion. Thick boy. and bacon. And let's just all collectively laugh at me as I try to make this disaster of portion size work. Thank you guys so much for watching. Despite my colossal mess up, this was actually really fun to make. I'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy!